everybody. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this AIDEVI NAD plus 15,000 Ultra Booster. These are capsules. It comes in a pack of 30 capsules and it helps boost your NAD plus levels, helps you with your aging and your cellular repair and your overall vitality. It helps with mental clarity. It also helps with brain fogginess when you are making tough decisions. It helps you make those decisions easier. Like I said, it comes in a pack of 30 and you are to take one of these daily and it will help your overall health. Very easy, just taking one with a glass of water and you will get some great results. These also help with your mood, your appetite control, your metabolism. It also gives you increased energy, which is always nice, especially during the winter months. These pills come in this bottle, nice top, easy to open, and then if you take it out, it comes in a white little capsule. And like I said, if you take one of these a day, they will give you lots of great effects. This capsule helps with increased energy, supports a healthy mood, supports appetite control and metabolism. It fights against mental fatigue, brain fog, stress for demanding situation, and it enables sustained mental focus and enhances cognitive abilities. I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for a nice supplement that you can take to get you through these hard times and just overall makes you a healthier person.